We installed basketball court in Smithtown, New York. We utilized MateFlex tiles. This was an existing asphalt court. They needed lots of repairs, and we re-leveled all the sunk areas and cracked areas with patch bond and re-leveled the entire court, and we installed the tiles over it. We used synthetic turf to frame the court as a fringe. We created a little sitting area on the opposite side with the synthetic turf. We had the Jordan logo imprinted into the tiles at the customer's request. The basketball hoop was existing, and the back over the hoop we installed the synthetic turf with a potting green with 3 American flags and cups. Clients are very happy. Made a lot of use of the little sport court that they had. The part behind the basketball hoop was just unused area. It used to be a very big mulch pad that the customer had to take care of it, and we turned it to a little potting green area. The client really loved the idea. This is the latest sports court built by Gappsi in Smithtown, New York.